Hey everybody, this is Dr. Fox at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, and today I want to talk about multiple sclerosis and upper cervical care. Now, multiple sclerosis is a condition of the brain where you have areas of scarring. That's why it's called multiple sclerosis. Sclerosis means scarring. And the scarring happens in particular areas of the brain called the ventricles, which is where there's the fluid that removes waste from the brain and also brings it some nutrients. So within that fluid, there are about roughly 20 different proteins. Of those, there are 2 or 3 that the body can mount an immune response to. And so what happens is when that pressure inside of the head gets greater, it forces some of those proteins into the cells around those ventricles that are full of fluid. And then those proteins, they interact with the cells and they cause inflammation, which leads to scarring. So they've done studies on people who have MS, and they found that most of them have this increased pressure in the brain, and it often happens somewhere between 10 and 15 years after having an injury to the neck. So they've also done studies on chiropractic patients in MS, and they've monitored that fluid pressure. And when these people got upper cervical care and that fluid pressure normalized, oftentimes they would see the symptoms of the MS decrease or stop progressing. So there's actually a link between the atlas bone, the pressure of the brain, and the immune response that's happening within those ventricles. And by adjusting that atlas and normalizing that pressure, you're able to take some of that immune strain off of the brain so that it can rest and relax and repair. So that is how chiropractic care relates to multiple sclerosis. If you know anyone who has that condition, this is something that could be a benefit to them. So you can reach out to us at Precise Chiropractic in Troy, www.nuccainfo.com. Again, this is Dr. Fox.